Hi, I'm Jerry from Accessible Surveys. In the next couple of minutes I want to show you around our platform and show you how you can create surveys which are genuinely accessible. The problem with traditional survey tools is that they ask everyone the same set of questions in the same format. Accessible Surveys changes this one-size-fits-all approach. Our accessibility options allows users to view questions in the format that works best for them. For instance, the user may choose to view questions in an easy-read format with simplified language supported by a picture. Or a user whose first language is sign language may choose to have questions signed. Or a user may choose to have a question read aloud at a speed that suits them.
Do you consider yourself to be a person with a disability?
I now want to show you how you can create an accessible survey on our platform. Create your survey by using a simple drag-and-drop form builder. And decide which accessibility options you want to offer. Then tailor your questions so they support the accessibility options you're offering. Lastly, test your questions before finalizing your survey. Once your survey is live, you can view responses on an interactive dashboard and download your dataset for further analysis. If you're interested in running accessible surveys, we would love to have a conversation. You can find us on Twitter or on accessiblesurveys.com.